Hello everyone, this is your teacher Nila again, and this week is just a review lesson for the topics that we have studied previously. So I would like you to listen once again to this review so that somehow you will be reminded on how to pronounce the name of the pictures or the vocabulary words that we have tackled in our previous lesson. All right, we are using your Pupils book for this review, and later on there will be pages that we are going to open. You are going to open because you are going to check for yourself and look at the pictures clearly so that you will be able to follow me as I pronounce, as I point out which picture I am referring to. Okay, so please have your book ready so that you will be able to open that to the pages indicated. We are going to start our review on Unit 6 about the environment. Yes, it is important that we learn few words regarding the environment because it is a good thing to help our environment be clean so that it would be nice to live with. Okay, so we are going to start with our vocabulary words, and number one is wind power. That is page 70 of your Pupils book. Number one, wind power. Number two, solar power. Solar power. Number three, gas. 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 Number four, electricity. Electricity. Number five, water. Water. Number six, paper. Paper. Number seven, cardboard. Cardboard. Number eight, glass. Glass. Number nine, aluminum. Aluminum. Number 10, plastic. Plastic. Okay, so these are our vocabulary words. We already have spelled this during our class, and you are grade 6, and I know that you can spell it on your own. Just look at the picture and the written word on every pictures. Okay, in this lesson also on page 71, we were able to learn how to help our environment, to identify which is to be recycled and which is to be used again. Okay, and we made use of the word shouldn't for an X. We should not do. Something we should not do is an X. And we use the word shouldn't. And if it is something good, then we use the word should, which is a check, which is a check. Okay, example number one there, and I am not going to read everything because you can read it for yourself. Number one there is we shouldn't. We shouldn't use a lot of electricity and gas. That's correct. We shouldn't. We should not. Okay, and we should use wind power and solar power. Okay, number 2, we shouldn't throw away all our rubbish. Our garbage, we don't throw all of them. Shouldn't. We should recycle paper, glass, and aluminum. Right? Shouldn't, should. We shouldn't use a lot of water. We shouldn't use a lot of water. Conserve water. Conserve electricity. Okay, we should have showers instead of baths. Yeah, shower. Through using shower, you can save a lot of water. Okay, number 4 and the last one, we shouldn't throw away old toys. If you have your old toys and you don't like them anymore, but you can still use that, don't throw them away. Instead, we should give old toys to younger children or those who are in need. Those who can't buy, you can give it to them. Okay, so the use of should and shouldn't. Okay, moving on. Number or unit 7. It talks about space. Space. So our vocabulary words will refer to different space or about space. So number 1, we have astronaut. Astronaut. Number 2, spacecraft. Spacecraft. Number 3, spacesuit. Spacesuit. Something that an astronaut wear. You call it spacesuit. Number 4, space station. Space station. That is where an astronaut work or do their research. Space station. Number 5, space laboratory. Space laboratory. Oh, this is the place that they do their work and research. Space station. For number 4, space station. This is where they stay, maybe. And space laboratory, they do their work, they do their research. Number 6, stars. When you are in the space, I believe you can see the stars. Number 7, planets. Planets. There are many planets in Earth. On Earth, I mean. There are so many planets. Can you name different planets that we have? Planets. Number 8, Earth. Earth. We live on planet Earth. Earth. And number 10. Oh, number 9. Moon. The moon. Number 10. Mars. Mars. They said that it is hot in Mars. I don't know how true. Okay? So these are our space vocabulary words. And if you want to look at page 83 of your book, the question there is, There. No, not a question. We are trying to make few sentences there on, look at focus. They're going to travel. They're going to. If you are planning to go, so you say, they are going to travel. But if you are not, you say, they aren't going to. They aren't. There is a positive sentence. They aren't is a negative sentence. You have there, the astronauts are going to visit Mars. Okay, just for a simple sentence. Okay, you can read that and check if it is true or if it is false. Okay, that is page 83 of your Pupils book. The last unit that we are going to review for this lesson is Unit A. It is about celebrations. Yes, when you celebrate, you are happy. Celebration. And we are going to learn 10 words again. Number 1 is float. Float. Number 2, dragon. Yeah, I saw dragon dance during Chinese New Year. Dragon. Number 3, musician. Musician. Number 4, dancer. Dancer. Number 5, costume. Costume. Number 6, clown. Clown. Number 7, pirate. Pirate. Number 8, mask. Mask. Number 9, funfair. Funfair. Number 10, fireworks. Fireworks. So all these words that we have just studied or read is referring to different kinds of celebrations. So when you celebrate, sometimes you have a float, flower festival for a float, dragon for Chinese New Year, musician, there is a dancer, you wear costume, sometimes there's a clown on birthdays celebration, there's pirate, mask, you wear mask, funfair, fireworks. Okay, we are not going to deal so much on this lesson, and please remember that when you talk about where, when you use the word where, it is usually referring to a place where we had our parade. The town. Town is a place, so you use where on the upper right corner on page 93. And again, when we use which, W-H-I-C-H, you are referring or you are choosing something, the costume, which, or referring to a thing, which I made. Costume is a thing. And my friend, friend is a person, so you use the who question. My friend who lives in my street. Friend is a person, so you say who. So the town where we had our parade. Where? The costume which I made. Thing. My friend who lives in my street. Friend is person. Who? Okay? So practice this one, and I know that you will be able to understand more if you keep practicing and just try to speak English. So that was it. We are done with our review for the 3 units, and this is also my last video for everybody, and I am not seeing you again next time because I am going back to my home country already. So I am encouraging everyone to please try your best. Just try. If you make a mistake, no problem. Try again. It is through trying that you can perfect something. So practice, practice, practice. All right? God bless you all and goodbye.